All right, so this video is on how to grade an assignment in Canvas. So the first thing you can do is you can go to where it says grades to get to the gradebook, or if you have this little icon on the right side here where it says to do, it is going to give you a list of assignments that you need to correct. So you could click right on that. I'm going to go to grades so we can look at the gradebook. So your gradebook should come up. I just have some fake students here, and I submitted an assignment under my test student, and you have a little icon that looks like this. So if I click on that, I could put in the grade right there, or I could click on the top and get to where that assignment is. Okay, so now I'm going to open what's called Speedgrader. So on that upper right hand side, we're going to go to Speedgrader. And it's going to load in that assignment. So now that we're on Speedgrader, we have a lot of different options that we could use to grade. So we could do a little bit of annotating. So I could just click on a box and put in a note here. Great job, something like that. Highlighter generally works if it's a Word document. So you could highlight something. This is a little text box, and you can change your colors if you'd like to. You can put in a little text box. Yes, you are doing this correctly. Something like that. You can cross out. Again, this works for a Word document. Mine is a PDF. So you could just cross out things. I generally like to use the writing tool here. It's like a free draw tool because I like to handwrite my comments, and I can do this on a tablet, so it works out really well. I could also zoom in to make it a little bigger so I can see better. And then I can just go through and correct. So we're going to say that, that's a good one. Yep, that's right. No, that one's wrong. That's right. Good job. Okay, going through all these. Nicely done. Again, just kind of going through all these. All right, so the other thing I could do is I could go through and I could use a rubric. So here I'm going to go to the rubric. And when I go to the rubric, I can look at each one of these and just kind of mark off on the rubric which ones are right or wrong. So number 3 was wrong, and I can kind of go through and just make my marks as well. So when I finish with that, it should give me, if I submit that or save that, it should give me the score. So that's as much as I graded for now. Another option, once you're done grading, whether you're typed in your amount or not, you can put in a final comment at this point. You could attach some kind of a file if you'd like to, maybe an answer key or something in that sort. This right here is to give some media comments. So this first one is you could actually create a video. Since I'm already doing video, it's hard to create a video, but I would start recording. It's the back of my screen, so I have to change this from my front camera. And I could record something, let's just say, record this. All right, you did a great job. Just be careful when you come to the parabolas. It seems that you don't understand those as well. All right, and then we could save that, and it would save under the comments. So there it is. You could also do what's called speech to text. So I may want to just say something out loud, and it would record it so I don't have to type it. Nice job. Just be careful when you're looking at parabolas. and that, and it's typed right in the spot. So then I'm going to hit submit, and there it goes. Okay, and that's about it. We can go back to your gradebook, and we can see that the grades are there, and that was a lab, so it kind of put it in the lab portion. Again, I didn't completely correct the whole thing, but since it was out of 44 points, it looks like we did really bad. All right, so again, if you have any questions, please see a tech coach. Other than that, have fun with Gradebook and Speedgrader.